Equivalent fractions show the same part of the whole. Let's see how we get equivalent fractions by folding papers. I have taken one paper and folded into two equal parts and I colored one part. The shaded portion of this paper is represented by 1 by 2. After folding the same paper, we get total part is 4, then the shaded part is 2. The fraction is 2 by 4. Now you are seeing the same paper after dividing into 8 equal parts. Now the shaded part is 4. The fraction is 4 by 8. Now we know that 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 4 is equal to 4 by 8. Similarly, out of 3 equal parts, one part is shaded. So the fraction is 1 by 3. After folding this paper equally, the new fraction will be 2 by 6. Here 1 by 3 is equal to 2 by 6. Now I am going to explain with 4 equal strips. I select first strip and make into 3 equal parts. Similarly, I make second strip into 6 equal parts, the third strip into 9 equal parts and the fourth strip into 12 equal parts. Now you observe purple color. The space occupied by purple in the first strip is 1 part. So the fraction is 1 by 3. The space occupied by purple in the second strip is 2 parts. So the fraction is 2 by 6. Similarly, there are 3 purple parts in the third strip and 4 equal parts in the fourth strip. So the third strip, fraction of third strip is 3 by 9. The fraction of fourth strip is 4 by 12. Now you observe shaded part in all the strips. They are equal. So 1 by 3 is equal to 2 by 6 is equal to 3 by 9 is equal to 4 by 12. The fractions whose values are equal are called equivalent fractions. Now find missing numerator. Observe the denominators 3 and 6. How do you get 6 as denominator? Yes, using 2 table we get 3 2s are 6. So we should multiply by 2 with the numerator, then we get missing numerator is 2. So answer is 2 by 6. Now pause the video. In the same way think and find missing numerator. Yes, using 4 table we get 3 4s are 12. Therefore 1 4s are 4. So the fraction is 4 by 12. All fractions have a special property. If you multiply the numerator and denominator of a fraction by the same number, the value of fraction remains the same. Let's see 2 by 3. We multiply the numerator and denominator by 2. 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6. This will equal 4 by 6. These two fractions have same value. We can also multiply the numerator and denominator by 3. We get 6 by 9. All these fractions have same value. Equivalent fractions. The numerator and denominator of a fraction must be multiplied by the same number. Then equivalent fractions have the same value. Write any 4 equivalent fractions for 2 by 5. What is equivalent fractions? The numerator and denominator must be multiplied by same number. So we have to do the workings for getting 4 equivalent fractions, 4 new fractions. So first we multiply by 2 table. Numerator into 2, denominator into 2. So 4 by 10. The next again we write 2 by 5. We take 3 table. 3 2s are 6, 5 3s are 15. Next 2 4s are 8, 5 4s are 20. Finally, we used 5 table. 2 5s are 10, 5 5s are 25. Now you get 4 new fractions, equivalent fractions. So our answer is 2 by 5 is equal to 4 by 10, 6 by 15, 8 by 20 and 10 by 25. 4 by 7. So same way. First we take 2 table. 4 2s are 8, 7 2s are 14. 4 3s are 12, 7 3s are 21. 4 4s are 16, 7 4s are 28. 4 5s are 20, 7 5s are 35. So now we get 4 by 7 is same as 8 by 14, 12 by 21, 16 by 28 and 20 by 35. So I asked any 4. So you can use 10 table also. So what is it? Using 10 table, 2 by 5 is same as 20 by 50. If you use 11 table, 22 by 55. For this question, 40 by 70 by using 10 table. By using 11 table, 44 by 77. We can take any table. How do you make this question fun and easy? You take A4 sheet, write skip counting 2, 3 like this. That is same as multiplication table. Answer of the multiplication table. So here answer of the multiplication 6 table. 6, 12, 18, 24 like this. I have written from 2 table to 9 table. 2 by 5 is equal to 4 by 10 is equal to 6 by 15 is equal to 8 by 20 is equal to 10 by 25 is equal to 12 by 30. The second question is 4 by 7. 4 by 7, 8 by 14, 12 by 21, 16 by 28, 20 by 35 and 24 by 42. 1 by 6. So 1 by 6, 2 by 12, 3 by 18, 4 by 24, 5 by 30, 6 by 36. So you have to make the another strips for one table. Now question is 1 by 9. 1 by 9, 2 by 18, 3 by 27, 4 by 36, 5 by 45, 6 by 54. Filling the boxes for equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions means the numerator and denominator must be multiplied by same number. 3 by 8 is equal to box by 32. So here we know both denominator. So 8 into dash equal to 32. 8 4s are 32. First we find the tables, then we find the answer. So here the table is 4. 3 4s are 12. Next, 1 by 7 is equal to 6 by box. First we find the table. 1 into dash equal to 6. 1 6 are 6. So 7 6 are 42. So 1 by 7 is same as 6 by 42. Third question, 2 by 9 is equal to 10 by box. Comparing 2 and 10, 2 5s are 10. So the table is 5. 2 5s are 10, 9 5s are 45. So we have to find the answer using tables. We also derive another special property of fraction. We divide 6 by 9 by 3, we get 2 by 3. From this, we know that if we divide the numerator and denominator by the same value, the fraction remains same. Consider the fraction 12 by 18. We can divide numerator and denominator by 6. 12 divided by 6 is 2. Similarly, divide denominator by 6. 18 divided by 6 is 3. The fraction is 2 by 3. So, 12 by 18 is equal to 2 by 3 are the same. It is called simplest form.